Every great mech begins as a pile of bricks on the table. In this video, I'll take you through the creation of the D25 mech frame, a flexible, battle-ready core designed for endless customization. And at the end, I'll show you a few sample builds that prove this frame can handle hero work and heavy firepower. But before we build, let's take a quick look at the articulation. Okay, let's build! We begin at the heart of the mech, the cockpit. I'm using the familiar cockpit piece from the LEGO Marvel mech sets. For the back and shoulders, I added a 1x2 plate and two 1x2 mixel ball joints, then secured it with 2x4 plate. After that, attaching a plate with bar, which will later lock in the cockpit enclosure. Think of it as the mech seatbelt, LEGO style. Moving down, the lower body is built using Technic brick and Technic pin, giving the mech a strong core connection. Adding 2x2 plate, 1x2 plate, and a 1x2 with ball joints for the attachment of the legs. Then secure with 1x2 and 2x2 plate. Now let's connect it with the upper body. And this is the body of our mech frame. For the arms, I used mixel ball joints as the base. Small, powerful, and surprisingly tough, just like they were in the mixel sets. I then added 1x2 brackets to give the arms more thickness and strength. After all, these arms might be holding cannons, shields, or an oversized LEGO coffee mug. The hands are built using a 1x2 ball socket, 1x2 plate with bar, and clips. This 1x1 clip allows the mech to grip weapons or accessories, because open hands are nice, but holding a blaster is better. Once connected, the arm is complete. I repeated the process for the right arm because symmetry makes LEGO builders happy. For the legs, I started with a 1x2 mixel socket and ball joint, forming a flexible but stable base. I added two 1x1 and 1x2 plates to lock the connection in place, followed by 1x2 brackets for thickness. To secure everything, I used a 2x2 wedge plate with cut corners, and for the lower leg, a mixel socket ball joint with brackets. These legs are designed to stand, pose, and survive dramatic shelf falls. The feet use a 1x2 Technic brick. The hole can be used to connect the mech in a base, then connect to 1x2 socket and modified brick. Now I connect the feet to the leg. I also created a mirror copy for the other leg. Now comes the best part, bringing everything together. We connect the arms to the body and legs, and just like that, and the D25 mech frame stands on its own. A blank canvas, ready for any theme you can imagine. Now since the mech is complete, let's add a pilot. I use this Ultron minifigure as the pilot since they have similar in color. Now let's check some poses of our mech. And now let's move to sample builds. Using the D25 frame, I built an Iron Man mech, inspired by LEGO Marvel designs. I combined dark red and gold for that iconic look, and added energy wings for extra flair, because Iron Man never skips flight mode. Next comes War Machine, crafted to suit both light and dark bluish-gray hues, as it mirrors his imposing heavy-duty armor. I integrated a potent shoulder cannon, an advanced rear missile launcher, and strategically placed submachine guns in pairs, boasting a compact design. War Machine does not ask questions. It just deploys weapons. Same frame, two completely different personalities. One sleek and heroic, the other heavily armed and ready for battle. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next build, keep stacking bricks and remember, if it falls apart, it just means it's time for a redesign.